To those of you who joined the military, I salute you. You're serving your country. We are very grateful. It may not seem like it, but we are. But imagine, the military trains you for combat so that when you're deployed to the field, you can act more like a predator. But when you return, when it comes to finances, a lot of you feel like you're more the prey because there are people out there who are really offering predatory lending terms to you, and you may not have the knowledge to be able to protect yourself. Sure, there's a law in the books called the Military Lending Act of 2006 that is supposed to protect you. But even that, if you don't have the knowledge of what you're supposed to be able to really avoid, you may not even be able to be standing up for yourself when it comes to the people who are trying to take advantage of you. At the Financial Management for Deployed Military Workshop, we help to educate you so that you can protect yourself. And if you need help in a collaborative way, we can help you with that too. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.